Welcome to the programming series. What is low-level programming language? Machine languages and assembly languages are considered low-level languages as these languages provide minimal abstraction from the architecture of the machine. In other words, the programming language itself is tailored to the specific instruction set architecture it will be run on. Low-level languages have a number of notable downsides. First, programs written in a low-level language are not portable. Since a low-level language is tailored to a specific instruction set architecture, the programs written in the language are too. Porting such programs to other architectures is typically non-trivial. Second, writing a program in a low-level language requires detailed knowledge of the architecture itself. For instance, the instruction MOV AL,061H requires knowing that AL refers to a CPU register available on this specific platform and understanding how to work with that register. On a different architecture, this register might be named something different, have different limitations, or not exist at all. Third, low-level programs are hard to understand. While individual assembly instructions can be quite understandable, it can still be hard to deduce what a section of assembly code is actually doing. And since assembly programs require many instructions to do even simple tasks, they tend to be quite long. Fourth, it is hard to write assembly programs of significant complexity because the language only provides primitive capabilities. The programmer is left to implement everything they need themselves. The primary benefit of low-level languages is that they are fast. Assembly is still used today when there are sections of code that are performance critical. And it is also used in a few other cases, one of which we will discuss soon. Time to see what is high-level programming language. If you find yourself enjoying this series, please consider clicking on like and subscribe button. Thank you.